Jason Whigham is a certified mortgage broker devoted to assisting purchasers and debtors better understand all of their affordable financing choices through higher transparency and homebuyer education throughout California. NMLS number 1448396. Call 916-413-3967 for more information. California Dream 4. California Dream for All program, 20% down payment assistance. Birds Landing. The California Dream for All Homebuyer Help program offers qualified first-time purchasers a quiet second loan for 20% down payment help.
Oh my God.
The Dream for All Home Loan and Support program is another method California is helping homebuyers get budget-friendly financing, increase homeownership, and develop generational wealth. Don't miss IT Spring 2023 will bring the Dream for All deposit scheme. They anticipate the DFA program will aid 300 families due to Governor Newsom's $700 million spending plan decrease. Complete this Homebuyer Help Prequal type and select Dream for Everyone in the loan program dropdown to get pre-qualified and on the waiting list. The DFA Fund Property Buyer Help program will be self-reliant by means of shared equity returns and will not concern California taxpayers. Program advantages. Preventing PMI decreases monthly payments, PMI. Loan amount decreases month-to-month payment. More deposit and lesser payment boost buying power. No month-to-month secondary silent second support loan payment. Property owner repays Dream for All Help loan when they offer, refinance, or transfer home. The property buyer will pay back the deposit loan and a part of the house gratitude upon sale, transfer, or refinance. What's shared appreciation? Shared gratitude, or shared equity, indicates that given that the California State Housing Finance Agency is investing, partnering, in your capability to purchase a house that will develop generational wealth, you will split or share a small percentage of the home's worth increase when you sell, divided or shared appreciation. Your earnings determines just how much gratitude the State Housing Authority gets when you offer or refinance. %/20% split equals borrowers with income 80% to 150% of the AMI maintain 80% of home appreciation. %15% equals under 80% AMI borrowers. Keep 75% of house appreciation, almost anybody. Shared appreciation limit equals 5 times the primary loan amount. A $500,000 purchase by a moderate income property owner after 5 years is revealed below. Aspiration eligibility. Newbie property buyers, those without a home after 3 years. 660 minimum. Debt to income limit, 45%. SFR/condo min/max CLTV, 70%/ 105%. No vacant cosigners. County income limit. CalHFA requires property buyer education. Required 1-year home guarantee. CalPlus Zip and My Home Assistance are incompatible. Learn your options. Have similar inquiries? What about other property buyer assistance programs? Best Aid Program. Which program pays the least? Which program will help you get more? I do this. I help you choose and get pre-approved for the property buyer help program you select. The majority of lenders are uninformed of or unable to offer aid services. A lot of loan officers do not have the info, experience, and resources to respond to these queries. Numerous will lie and say you're not eligible or attempt to make a help program seem awful. Applying for Dream for Everyone Help. Complete this down payment help prequal form to get pre-approved for the very best home loan or property buyer assistance program. They anticipate the DFA program will assist 300 families due to Governor Newsom's $700 million budget plan reduction. Fill out this Homebuyer Help Prequal form and choose Dream for Everyone in the loan program drop-down to get pre-qualified and on the waiting list. Many loan providers are uninformed of or not able to provide assistance services. A lot of loan officers do not have the details, experience, and resources to answer these questions. Numerous will lie and state you're not eligible or try to make an aid program appear horrible. California Dream for All program, 20% down payment assistance. Birds Landing, purchase, sell property homes with Jennifer Whigham. Call Jennifer at 916-370-6584 to get assist with negotiations, documents, and closing the deal. Work with your successful regional top realtor.